Hello everyone, welcome to this beautiful video, and today I'll be showing you the 3D Quality 1 version 2. It's this little thing, this little guy. Инструкция по эксплуатации. Instruction for exploitation. That's fucking word by word, I suppose. Not very accurate translation, but who gives a shit. So, basically, this 3D printer, it's a Russian-made 3D printer. It's probably just Chinese parts. This printer wasn't used since 2018. Very funny printer. And now it's 2025. And I'm using it. And yeah, as you can see, it kind of works. I hope that it will actually work, because I have had issues with it. The first issue I had was the fact that it shifted layers. Like, this actually thing does have the example of the shifting layers. I'm not gonna show you exactly what this fucking book has, because it has like someone's fucking information about things. Oh, also, yeah, funny thing, Inkscape, this bitch has a laser apparently. I don't know if I can use it, but yeah, there we go, there we have it. This is the shifting layers. I've had this issue. It's not as severe as this one, but I have added this issue, and it's either because the nozzle hits the model and you need to make the head lift up more during the retraction, I suppose. Also, you need to make sure that all the speeds are below 100 millimeters per second. I set in the slicer that to make sure that they're below 100 millimeters per second, so that should be fine. Make sure that the working surface is well fixed. I've used isopropyl alcohol and I've cleaned the surface as thoroughly as I could, but you can see that the printing table has been kind of fucked. Also, it's fine, I could take this thing off, it's not gonna stop. This green glass is for laser, and this little thing right here is also for when you're printing, or sorry, when you're using the laser, because, well, obviously safety first, although you could definitely just do and that's it, and it would still turn on the laser, but we can ignore that. It's basic safety, rudimentary safety, which is fine, good enough. So yeah, 3D quality, I currently have the 0.5 millimeter nozzle, and it's currently printing benchy. Unfortunately, you may ask, wait, you're not supposed to print benchy with 0.5 millimeter, it's what's supposed to be used for 0.4 millimeter, and I'm gonna say, this is the 0.4 millimeter nozzle. Kinda looks like shit. I'm gonna clean up it at home. I hope I'll be able to clean it. I don't really know if I want to buy a new nozzle, because this one actually works. It's just, the thing is, when I had one of the problems with this damn printer, the problem was the fact that it didn't extrude anything. I'm gonna fix this damn head as well, or this fucking nozzle, because it's looking horrid. And you know what? I may even invest in a new nozzle. Probably not, because I don't see a point. This again, printed fine, is just the fact that it couldn't push any filament because the springs were not tensioned enough. Like, from time, obviously. This fucking thing wasn't used since 2018. No shit, the springs would get slightly less tension. So it wouldn't be enough to actually push the damn, like, the wheel. It's a single stepper motor extruder as well. It's like single wheel. I think it's kinda cool, because the double extruder double stepper motor is not, like, it has some problems, I think, but I don't know shit about printers, so I'm not gonna even try to assume how it works. I mean, I know how it works. It's a fucking 3D printer, you can see. Also, a pretty cool thing about this printer, or is it a cool thing? But the point is, it has, you cannot see anything. Fine, I'll just do that. This is a metal shaft for the y-axis, for this dimension. This is This is a metal shaft for the z direction, and this is a metal shaft for the x dimension. This thing does not use any fucking belts. there are not gonna be any belt issues with this bitch. Like, fuck yeah, I don't have to fucking bother with belts. Because, like, fuck off, I'm not doing that. Also, so far I see it feels pretty damn good. That's nice. Also, it's noisy as shit. But, yeah. This fucking thing works. It's fucking huge. I'm gonna tell you the dimensions, actually, because I have the fucking whole thing right here. Thankfully, someone actually printed it. And I know that someone printed it in college, where I am right now, because it uses this fucking thing. Like, we use that for fucking our courseworks and diplomas and shit. Like, we use this thing, right here. Like, I know that someone actually legitimately printed it in college, which is holy shit, thank you, because I don't know where to find this exact fucking thing. Like, that's actually very helpful. It's been really fucking helpful, because no way I could fucking find all of this fucking info. But yeah, so let me search for thing. Oh, there we go. Here are all the characteristics. Let me list all of them for you. Physical parameters. The size of the printer without the package is 500 by 515 by 520 millimeters. Inside the packaging, but we don't care. We don't know the packaging, but weight without the package is 30 kilograms. It's about 62 pounds if you're American. I'm not gonna translate this shit, by the way. Fuck off. I'm not doing that. Use millimeters, they're better. Then, electricity, well, who gives a shit, to be honest? It's 220 volts, plus or minus 15%, and it's 50 hertz. Classic. It's in Russia, that's why. Maximum power is 500 watts. Interface USB, and it does have a USB somewhere. Right here. It has a USB-B interface, actually. Then gravирование. Don't remember how it's called, but it's basically using the laser to etch the images. It's 1 watt laser, not very powerful. Actually, it's a fairly okay. And the etching, like the dimensions for the etching thing, is 260 by 200. So it's an FDM printer, obviously. Fuse deposition modeling. Oh, it's in English. The printing area, the printing volume is 290 by 220 by 210 millimeters, which is width, depth, and height, accordingly. The maximum printing speed is 100 millimeters per second. I'm sorry, my nose is fucking stuffy as hell. And the minimal layer thickness is 0.5 millimeters. Diameters of the nozzle is 0.3 millimeters and 0.4 millimeters. Oh shit, well, I have 0.5 millimeters right there. Who gives a shit, honestly? It's all the same shit. Yeah, and the rest is boring. It can print ABS, PLA, SPS, nylon. Fucking good luck, I suppose. I don't... maybe it can print nylon. I'm not gonna try. But we do have nylon filament in college, I'm pretty sure. Flex PVA. Oh, I can print with glue. Hips, we do have hips. I think we have nylon in hips for some fucking reason. I don't know what hips is. And others. Well, basically it can print, thank fuck. Just track around and find out, that's how you know if you can print. Number of extruders, 1. We do have one of the printers which has 2 extruders, and it has 2 extruders, but it's a delta printer, so this one is like a classical cube, but we also have 2 not working, basically completely. One is completely broken because it has a fucked thermal sensor, so it basically heats up forever and fucking heats up the nozzle forever and doesn't stop because the fucking thermal sensor doesn't work. It's the small Delta printer. And we have a big Delta printer, like a giant fucking Delta printer. It's like it's 1.5 meters in height, I'd say. So it's pretty damn fucking tall. And the size of the the area, I don't know. It's a circle, but it's a delta printer, so it has 3 axes and it moves like a head like this, like, you know, it's in a triangle. It's a delta printer. You can Google it. It doesn't work. The big one doesn't work because it has broken software. It has broken something in software related. Because it can print otherwise, it can do everything. It just gets completely shuts down. Completely, just doesn't respond. Like, it freezes. The software just completely, or the firmware, I suppose, completely freezes and does not respond to anything. Like, you can, like here. This encoder is fucked, by the way. I fucked it up a little bit more, but basically, you can't even do this, you know? You can't, like, move around and shit. In the Delta. Which is just unfortunate. We have a fucking... I think we have mini printers in our college. 3D printers. 2 these cuboids and 2 Deltas. That's what I've seen so far. This one seems to be in the most working condition. I've seen another cuboid. I'm gonna call them cuboids, fuck it. I've seen another cuboid, and I think it was in kind of shit condition. I might have been mistaken. I don't know. Maybe it's turned, you know, like maybe it's been turned like this face up, this portion facing upwards. I'm not sure, but basically I think it's been fucked. So, and the 2 Deltas, I've already said what's wrong with them. So this one is the only one that actually works. Fucking great. But oh well, I don't know. It works. I'm thankful for that. It has a laser. I may still try to use Inkscape, and I fucking hope, pray to God, I suppose. I don't know what can you do here, to be honest. How do you use this shit? So I would like to use a laser. But the plugin for Inkscape that was like mentioned in the instruction, it's supposed to be on SD card. I'm not sure which one, because if it's one of these external ones, then we're fucked, because they've been formatted like 10,000 times over. Well, probably not, but they've been formatted, I'm pretty sure, a lot of times. There is an internal SD card, which I'm gonna check at some point. Once I probably clean this nozzle. I should actually... I'm gonna put it in my pocket so I wouldn't forget about it. Or forget about it even faster. But there's internal, so I could unscrew these 2 screws. Because the other 2, this one and this one, they're gone. Also, I put this sticker for some reason here. No showering. Do not shower when this fucking printer is working, because it's probably gonna fucking instantaneously self-combust. It's a Russian-made printer. Hello everyone, welcome back. So it's printed. It's printed for 1 hour and 8 minutes, if I recall. And here we have this. I'm not very excited about the bottom. You can see, yeah. This is a little bit unfortunate, but okay, let's just try it. Okay. Hey, nice. Oh shit. Maybe it's fine. Okay, that's not good, this portion, yeah. Can we see this? Not. Can I see it in real life? Shit, I actually kinda can. Damn, bro, I actually fucking printed this far. Okay. Okay, so... Huh. Interesting, look at this. So, good news. That actually... That's honestly like this. Yeah, this spot is kind of shit, but oh, it's a good looking benchy. Fucking hell, it's a really good one. I mean, yeah, the bottom is fucking bad. This spot and this spot is looking strange. I don't know why that happens. So I'm gonna try try reprinting it and seeing if something will get better.
Right, welcome back. So, I'm already home, and it's already quite a bit later. And here is the finished result of the second boat. So you can see that there is still this issue right here, if it may focus. So you can see that, oh god, can you, come on, it's like this. CT3D XYZ looks fine enough. This part looks pretty good. There's like, you can see, this looks interesting. Oh, can we actually see into the 3D print? Interesting. But you can see that there are some strange defects. You can definitely see that it wants to like crack here or something. Yeah, there's like this weird issue, like a slice basically. And then there is like this whole weirdness going on this exact like portion, which is very interesting. Not sure why. And also the lettering here is what I've noticed, it's a little bit pushed down, it feels. It's not supposed to be that flat. So that's interesting. And then we have this, that's the previous print, the very first one I showed. You can see the same kind of lettering, but there's a lot more very bad like print. The beginning is completely like just awful. Quite unfortunate, but yeah, that's it. Thank you for listening, and I see you next time.